Hi, my name is Matthew. In this video, I will show you how to make a sale, apply discounts, and customer management. Let's go ahead and tap the POS button below if you are not there yet. The area on the left shows all your products and groups. You can also search for products by name if you have too many of them. If your products have a UPC setup, you can find your products by using a scanner. You can also bookmark your product and see them in favorite. Tap the star button to bookmark, and tap it again to undo. Now, tap the smiley button on top. This is the area to manage your customers. To add customer, tap New. Fill in your customer info in the available fields. Tap Save to create the record. Now you have created a customer record. Let's make a sale and put them together. Tap some of the products on the left. They will be added to the sale order on the right. The order summation will update the amount of tax and the total as you add items to the order. OK, now, slide the first item to the left to reveal the action menu. You can delete this line from the sale order, or set a discount to this line only. To set a discount on all items, tap Discount. On the right, select the discount type of cash or percentage. Enter the value using the keypad. Tap Apply. To cancel the order, tap Start Over at the bottom and tap Clear. Let's make another sale order. Now, let's add a customer to this order. Tap the smiley button on the top. Select a customer or create a new one now. Tap Pick. To complete this order, tap Checkout. On the right, you can enter the tendered value or use the preset values to save some typing. Tap Pay to confirm the payment. Tap Print to print the receipt, or you could send it by email if you have an email account set up on this iPad. Tap this icon on the top to see all your orders you've created. Tap the first record to reveal the detail of this order. You can do a lot of things in this area such as reprint, void, and refund. Sometimes you may need to save the order and then retrieve it later. Here's how to do it. Let's add some items to the order. Next, tap the Pause button on top. Tap Pause Order to save it. To retrieve it, tap the Play button and then select the order you would like to continue. Tap Resume to retrieve. Of course, you can retrieve it on another iPad. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video.